If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Dropbox account, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Sign into Dropbox. Go to the Dropbox website and log in with your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to enter your verification code. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, then navigate to the Security tab to find your two-factor authentication settings. Step 3. Disable two-factor authentication. In the Security section, look for the option to disable two-factor authentication. You may need to enter your password again for security purposes. Follow the prompts to confirm the disabling of this feature. Step 4. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After successfully disabling it, you can re-enable two-factor authentication. Choose your preferred method, text message or authentication app, and follow the instructions to set it up again. Step 5. Save backup codes. Once two-factor authentication is re-enabled, Dropbox will provide backup codes. Make sure to save these codes in a secure location. They can be used to access your account if you lose access to your two-factor authentication method. By following these steps, you can reset your two-factor authentication on Dropbox and enhance the security of your account. Always remember to keep your recovery options updated.